Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Idaho Central Credit Union step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your income. Gather all sources of income, including your salary, side gigs, and any other earnings. Next, list your monthly expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed costs, like rent or mortgage, and variable costs, like groceries and entertainment. Now, calculate your total monthly income. Ensure you have a clear view of how much money is coming in each month. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will reveal your net income. If your expenses exceed your income, it's time to re-evaluate. Identify areas where you can cut costs. Consider using Idaho Central Credit Union's budgeting tools available online or through their app. These tools can help you track your spending and create a budget tailored to your needs. Set specific financial goals. Decide what you want to save for, such as an emergency fund, a vacation, or retirement. Allocate a portion of your budget to these savings goals. Make sure to revisit and adjust your budget monthly. Track your spending and adjust as necessary to stay on track. Utilize the resources offered by Idaho Central Credit Union, like personal finance workshops or one-on-one consultations. These can provide additional support and education as you refine your budget. Stay disciplined and patient throughout the budgeting process. Progress takes time, but with consistent effort, you'll see positive results. Review your budget regularly to ensure it still meets your needs. As your financial situation changes, be ready to adapt your budget accordingly. By following these steps, you can create an effective budget that works for you with Idaho Central Credit Union's support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.